Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing another reaction to Cover Glaive by Mr. Marko Perković Thompson. I'm loving the Croatian music. I'm loving this Croatian artist. He's a great artist, excellent artist. I've been enjoying his performances. I've been enjoying his clippings uploaded by fans. Okay, so with the love that I'm receiving, I'll be now going deeper into some of these music live performances. Okay, so with that being said, let's all delve together to see what's up with this great artist.
Prije nekih sat vremena smo otpjevali kako je ti bilo od 45. Ali sad ćemo otpjevati pjesmu iz 91. Bolja Čavogla.
Srpski dobrovoljci, bardočetnici, stići će vas naša ljubavi u Srbiji. Stići će vas naša ljubavi u Srbiji. Stići će vas Božja pravda, to je svako zna. Sudit će vam Vojvodinski slušajte sad poruku od Perkovića. Nećete u Čavoglave, niste ni prije. Nećete u Čavoglave, niste ni prije.
That was impressive. That was impressive. You know what came to mind when I'm watching this? What I've learned in Jamaica as a fan of a specific artist. You know, fans is important. If you're doing music and you're a musician and you're dropping music, right? You know, while some people is trying to get relevancy, it doesn't matter if you are relevant or not. If the fans or if other oppositions gave the narrative to say, hey, you're irrelevant, your music is trash, right? Even when the music sounds awesomely done, okay, you're gonna have a lot of people who are not a fan of the artist, who hates the artist, will say the music is trash, and the fans will love the artist's music. The fans will come out to support. The fans will buy the artist's music. The fans will stream the artist's music, so the artist could give more music. And this is what is happening in Jamaica now, where one specific artist is getting a lot of fight, is getting a lot of false narrative, is getting a lot of criticisms based on what his music sounds like today. Okay, and his fans is there with him for years now. Okay, and to see the exact same thing with this man, right, Mr. Thompson, he has his fans. His fans is there supporting him. His fans is giving him what he gave the fans back, music. And if the artist should keep his own show, right, the fans will support. Grow your fan base, build your fan base, get a connectivity to your fan base. So if you could drop a song today, a song tomorrow, a song next year, or 10 years from now, you take to release some music, the fans will wait. The fans will support. And that is what is happening to Mr. Thompson here. His fans is there supporting him. The fans is there singing along to his music because he has grown this cult-like fan base who will support, who will follow his music, who will follow him based off what he's giving them. And this is where the great artist comes in, right? If you are a musician and you don't have fans, it doesn't make sense you do stage show or putting out music because there's no one there to support you. Once you have the support team to back you up, which are the fans, then you're good to go. And this is where this man is winning. Because if he gain a mass of 604,000 people to support him, he's winning. And once the fan is there to support him, then eventually he'll be unstoppable. No hate, no opposition, no critics, no criticism can be able to hold that man back because his fans is there to protect him, to prevent him or to back him from people who doesn't like the artist. The fan will keep the artist current. So people, thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed my reaction, remember to leave a like, subscribe, share this to a friend, telling him or her about me, the Jamaican Reactor. I'll see you guys in another video, man. Stay safe, be safe, stick around for more.